It's hitting me really hard today. Oh, I didn't know the Joker was back there. He's so sneaky. He always laughs when my stomach growls. Listen to it growl.
Excuse me, Sergeant here. I can't help but notice that you have swallowed the Joker.
I guess I did. I was so hungry. I just ate him.
Well, I'm going to need to do a little examination. Let me open up my medical bag. Really gotta get these hinges oiled. Alright, let me rub them around in there. Oh, it's wetter than I want it to be, okay. That's the Joker's child.
I beat him on the head for you.
Okay, I'm just gonna check your heartbeat.
Good.
Are you excited? It's very strong.
No, that's my resting beat. Oh, that was excited. Oh, God, I think that means I have to go to the bathroom. No, that just happened. It happened. Oh, I made money.
See? Okay. You know what? Let her sign off. This is what happens when you eat the Joker. It's unpredictable. Bro, we're gonna have to clean up this mess. I know, I'll get my wet back. Just turn it on.
Also powered by giggles.
It's gonna start covering up the wetness.
That worked surprisingly well.
Alright, I'm just gonna turn this off. Turn it off. Okay. You see what I do? Okay.
Kick it! Kick it again! Kick it really hard!
Okay, you know what?
It worked!
Sometimes,
Ouch! That's how you know!
Okay, as a doctor, I gotta say, your reflexes are not good. But this...
What?
See,
Who are you talking to?
I have no idea!
I'm talking to you!
Yes, sir.
You are making me look bad in front of my patient!
Okay!
Hey, can we agree to stop screaming? Hey, I asked you a question.
Hold on, I have something!
I'm calling my mom.
Oh, no, don't pull them up.
Carnage!
No, I'm trying to down.
Dial harder!
Oh, hi!
Oh, it worked! It's auto dial!
What do you want?
Mom. So the vacuum cleaner has been like yelling and screaming dialogue? Mom, could you sing that song that I used to sing when I got too hyper as a child?
Vacuum's gonna kill